So a quick little tutorial with our favorite friend Steve. What are you doing, Steve?
I am putting together a piece of pipe for the wires to come up.
For the cores, right?
Yes.
So, does everybody know that Bridge Cable does coring?
Yes.
Oh, I hope so. I like your marketing thing. So again, with Steve's guidance, you're gonna have the bushings, you're gonna have the pipe, you're gonna have the unistrut, you gotta do the tile, and that's Steve's favorite. You wanna use those as paperweights at your house?
Yeah, I'm thinking about taking them.
All right, cool, man. That's good. So again, when we're bringing up wiring in there, we could be like the other people and just put a hole in there, or we could put the proper strategy on there. So not to kick your stuff, but they're not secured in there quite yet there, but that's what we mean by coring. So a lot of the GCs will do the coring for you, but if they don't, and if you need something done, call us up, 877-832-1206. And thank you for your work, Steve.
You're welcome.